Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgil Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your Make Money Online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review. The creator of Luxury Places viral videos is Daniel Milandri, and he lives in Italy and has several products to his credit. He is an online marketing expert, helping online businesses improve their results and success. Now, in a nutshell, with Luxury Places videos, you receive a package of viral videos for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels with unrestricted rights on the videos. Now, here are 5 things you should know about this product. You have unrestricted use rights on the videos. They're designed for social media. You will receive 300 luxury locations for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. And you will receive 3 bonuses, including tutorial guide, online marketing lifestyle course, and a personal growth material and coaching sessions. Now, the other thing is that there are no copyright issues with this product. In the sales funnel, the front end is you'll receive at least 300 videos with an additional 200. On OTO1, you will receive 2,000 mega bundle, and in OTO2, you will receive secret booster, and OTO3, a mega bundle of viral videos. Now watch for the downsells. You will save some money, but get less of a product. You want to know more? Well, click the Luxury Places videos link below and get the full story. And oh yes, before I go, check out to earn $10,000 monthly in the first link below. And my 4 bonuses, they show you how to supercharge your online empire and get access to free traffic. They show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. They show you how to gain reoccurring income online with ease. And they will show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system.